Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian, and today we want to host a website in S3. It's also something which is part of the Cloud Practitioner guidance, and yeah, we want to see hands-on how it works. So keep going with me, and you will learn it from A to Z. Okay, so we are here in S3. When you are not in S3 and you want to access this, you type here in the console S3. Then we check, okay, are we in the right region? So we are here in US East 1. We will first create a bucket. It will be a general purpose bucket. My website hosting bucket. Then the name and, for instance, the date from today. We make ACL disabled. We will first now block all public access. Bucket versioning we keep disabled. We will make a short key as free or a short tag that we know which one it is. Server side encrypted. Create bucket. Then we go into our bucket. And at first we need a little bit an object. This could be here, for instance, now an index HTML file. So I have here one. This we will upload. We'll close it. Then we go back to we are already here now in the bucket itself. We go to properties and scroll here down, and I think here's the static website hosting, and right now for default it's disabled. We will edit this and go to enabled. The file will be index.html. We can also later put here error HTML documents inside, but that's fine. Save changes. Okay. This we have. So we have here our website. So when we would now click on it, we would have forbidden access. So this is due to the fact that we don't have enough permissions and we block the access. So we will first now unblock the access. We will edit it. We'll save changes, confirm. Confirm. Now we go back to our properties. Try again. Still access denied. Now we need also the policy. So go back to permissions. We will create a short policy generator. We will say it's an S3 bucket policy. We will allow everyone to get the object. And the ARN is this one. We will add the statement, generate the policy, and then we go here. And now we copy this inside. We will save it. There you go. You can use also an LLM for this, no problem. Or you know it by yourself after a while. So usually it starts with a policy ID, the version number, and then the statement itself. So we took an effect of allowing something. The principal is here a star, so this means for everyone. You can also use here just your IDs action as get object and on this resource. And now we go back to our objects or into properties. And now there it is. So it's a predict car price website. Could be also a picture like you wish. So actually super easy. We have an index.html file which we uploaded into a bucket. On the bucket we go to properties. we will make the static website hosting enabled. Then we go to permissions. We will unblock the public access, and we are configuring the bucket policy so that we get the objects, also that everyone get the object. And then you can open it again. We go back to properties, and there we try it again. It's working. Okay, so first of all, this is how it's going. And now, yeah, how I get rid of it when it's just an example and I wanted to know how it works. So we go back to our objects. We will clean up now our resources so that we don't incur any costs. So first we delete our object, this index.html file. Click here on permanently delete, copy it, then we close it, and then we go to our buckets, and as it is now already empty, we can delete this bucket. Delete bucket, and that's it. Okay, I hope it was helpful. I hope you could learn something here on the beginner levels, and I will see you hopefully in one of the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.